Hello everyone, today we're going to be on a digital adventure together to learn how to use one of my favorite websites, the National Geographic Kids website. We are beginning our project-based learning unit called Animals and Habitats, and the big question is, what makes a habitat a perfect home for an animal? Each group will become an animal explorer. You all as a group would pick one animal from a unique habitat, learn how it lives, eats, and survives. And then at the very end, you would all create, as a group, a model of a perfect habitat for your chosen animal. Let's learn how to research using the National Geographic Kids website. We all will practice together by exploring one really cool animal, the pufferfish. So what you would want to do first is make sure you open your web browser and go to the National Geographic Kids website. And then at the top, you want to click Animals. And here you would find that the animals are categorized into groups, so mammals, birds, and then reptiles, amphibians, and fish. So let's go ahead and scroll down to fish. And then let's find the pufferfish. Here we go. So you would make sure you read all this information and then you would get some of your facts. So the pufferfish are also called blowfish, and they have very special ways to protect themselves. When they feel threatened, they can inflate into a ball shape to scare away predators. They do this by filling their stretchy stomachs with water and sometimes even air. They can puff up several times their normal size, so some species even have spines on their skin, making it extra difficult to eat. And if a predator does manage to eat it, well, that's a very bad idea because most pufferfish contain a powerful toxin substance that's even deadly to fish and even humans. There's enough poison in just one of them that can kill up to 30 adult humans, and there's no known antidote. Now let's see where their pufferfish live. So as you can see by this map, most pufferfish are found in tropical and subtropical ocean waters, but some also can live in brackish or even freshwater habitats. So their perfect home is usually a warm ocean environment like coral reefs, where they can hide, hunt, and swim safely. In Japan, pufferfish are called as fungu and are very expensive and delicious treat, and only trained chefs carefully prepare dishes. They are very special and a delicious meal. Some pufferfish species are facing problems today because of pollution, habitat loss, and overfishing, but most populations are still considered stable. So once you have read all the information, again, you can go to animals. You can pick any animal you would like. Make sure your group has decided that they want to do that as well. So once you pick the animal, your job would be to do the same like I did. So making sure I find where the habitat is, give it everywhere, give it things that it needs to survive, like food, space, shelter, and making sure you know where the exact habitat is. So when you research your animal, you're going to find out where does your animal live, what does it eat, and how does it survive. And then as a group, you will all work together to design a perfect habitat that helps your animal thrive. You can build it with craft materials or you can use any digital tools to model your perfect habitat. So now that you know how to explore the National Geographic Kids website and find reliable information about your animals, as you research, make sure you always ask yourself, what makes this habitat the perfect home for my animal? And I can't wait to see what y'all all create and design. And I would love to hear about what you all discover. Happy exploring!